What is that, River? It's gatos and birds. Those are birds, baby, not gatos. No, not quite. Baby, not all animals are gatos. Birds. Yeah. Oh, antelopes. What is that? Giraffe? No, giraffe. Not a Oh my gosh. No. That's not a gato. No, baby. No, those are not gatos. Elephant. Elephant. Oh my God. Baby, those are not gatos. Those are animals. Elephant. Ooh. Bird. Oh, look. Now that's a gato. Gato. It's a lion, baby. A lion. Monkey. Oh, oh, oh. You're right, that is a gato. Oh, animals. Gatos. You're getting it right this time. Look, a baby. You're now realizing. Yeah.